So I have had plenty of requests to make these videos for NinjaTrader and strategy breakdowns. So what I'm going to do is the NinjaTrader 10 and 2 strategy that we do, and I'm going to show you how I do with the NinjaTrader. So basically I'm running this alongside of my TradingView, and I'm using this as a confluence as well because I like to see the flips on my candles. So what I'm using on the candles again is 32 and 8 on my NinjaTrader candles. Okay. And then as far as the first light beacon, I am using the time-based 4-hour zone. Obviously I have the beacon light turned on, and then the colors or whatever you want. You don't need the end caps for this. We can just turn them off, and there you go. So here is the new 10 a.m. zone. And what we're looking for is the same rules. Basically, we're looking for a cross through and the cross back of the beacon line, not candles, or we're looking for the beacon line to come in and reject and push up, and that would be considered a continuation, right, off of the 4-hour zone. So here's our 4-hour zone printing, and I'm going to go ahead and play this forward here and show you the 10 a.m. setup that was on the what was that, the 23rd? It was Friday the 23rd. Yeah. So that's an entry right there in itself. We have a close of the beacon line. Well, not yet. So hold on 1 second. Let's see. So if this beacon line comes in here and breaks away from the zone, that is a dynamic zone. It's what I call a DZE trade, dynamic zone execution. So we want to get a close of the beacon breaking away on one of the candles closing. And obviously that's not it right there. So we're waiting for this to actually happen. And if this breaks away, then we're going to get into the trade, and our risk is going to be the zone, and we're going to target our high. So here we go. We're not getting a break out of the zone, but we're going deeper into it. We would not short this because we have to see a cross through, right? So if this actually broke through here, we'd have to come and look for a rejection down. So like kind of like a break and retest. But we are actually going bullish again on this. As you can see, the candle is flipping. I'm going to go a little bit faster on the playback. NinjaTrader is a little harder to do. There we go. So that broke away too fast. Your entry, actually, no, this left it closed right here. See where the beacon line is actually closed right there. So this entry is actually decent. So we're going to actually get into the trade, right? And then we're going to put our stop at the zone. That's our defined risk. And then I just have 100 tick set. I don't know if it's going to go that far. But let's see what happens, and we can just go ahead and fast forward this. And then there we go. Trade is running, and then we start trailing into, that is a good trail, a wick like that. Yep. And then we're going to see it run. I would probably, look at that. I would probably close a couple contracts here because, you know me, I like to
order cancel,
trim and get some more out. And then we can do like a sell stop, you know, like this, sell one here, sell one here, whatever. Or we can look left and find highs. Oh, it just took the PPs there. So that is the setup. And this was the 10 a.m. trade that we took on Friday. This did win, and we did win our 10 p.m. But we did get a little chopped around on the 10 one, and I believe we may have taken more than one trade. I can't remember, honestly. And then we got in again, recovered, and made money. I can't remember, to be honest. But that is the setup for the 10 and 2 for a NinjaTrader. It really is that simple. If you have any questions, drop it in our Discord, in the chats, or create a support ticket or whatever you want to do. If you're new to what's going on here, if you go to our website, we do have a Zoom demo scheduler in there. It doesn't cost you anything. And you can have a 30-minute demo of our trading system, our ERE setups, our DZE setups, and basically what this even is right here, right? So like what is really going on here? What are we doing? Why is this so successful? And why are beginning traders actually becoming profitable way faster than using any other type of system? And the reason why is it is what it is. We are mapping order flow, and we can see where we should be getting into trades, right? Like a break, retest, wick to zone. Here's another one right here, wick to zone. It really can be that simple, guys. This is not a support and resistance indicator. This is not moving averages. This is brand new. It's patent pending. And again, if you want a demo, just go to our website, firstlightbeacon.com. click on the Zoom scheduler and schedule a demo, and we will show you all about it. Hope you have a good one.